Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys we will explain how to replace the car battery on Kia Optima. If you guys have a Kia Optima generation 2010 to 2016-17 guys, we will explain how to replace the car battery. It practically takes only a few minutes, but you have to follow certain procedures, otherwise you can cause damage to the vehicle that can cost you thousands of dollars. So before we start, let me tell you guys, this Kia Optima, if you have the 2.4 engine, we'll be taking it completely apart. We'll have more than 300 repair videos guys. All that will be shared on this channel. In addition, we have another channel guys that you saw in the beginning. It's known as Electrical Car Repair Live. We'll be making at least 200 diagnostics videos, electrical videos guys, fuses, relays and things like that. So check it out. Okay, our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make so many videos guys. Another thing, if you need to buy new battery, parts, tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So you can see this is guys the 2.4 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is practically the same. This is your car battery. It really matters guys which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, what can happen? You can cause damage to the engine computer, electrical system, modules, relays. That can be very costly guys, and back in the day we did that mistake and it cost us $2,000. So we will explain which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first now. So which battery terminal you disconnect first guys? Pretty simple, negative terminal first always, okay? That way when the negative is disconnected, if you accidentally touch the positive with a tool or something to ground, you're not going to short things out. So put it to the side, make sure it doesn't touch the battery. Disconnect the, okay, second the positive terminal. So go ahead, pre-loosen it, get it tight as well. Perfect. Now, next, what do we need to do? Okay, this one we'll close it and it will go to the side. Okay, like that. There is one mount. Okay, right there, you can see. Now, usually it's either with 12 or 14 millimeter socket, guys. So check it out. You need to just go ahead and pre-loosen that one. So we pre-loosen that bracket, guys. Now, for that, Kia guys, if you have a Kia Optima and you want to see guys all the fuses that we'll be making, okay, all the fuses, you have problems with relays, fuses, all that you will be able to find on our channel Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, all those videos and the diagnostics videos will go there. So you come right here now, you need to come out of that canal. Okay, you can see, pull it to the right a little bit, then you're going to grab the battery and just pull it out and it comes out. Okay, you can see just like that. Now we are ready to install the new battery after that. So we are getting guys the replacement battery, you put it in. Okay, now let me explain how we need to slide it here in one canal. Okay, if you pay attention, okay, right there, it needs to go under that canal. Okay, you can see right there, so it's locking in place, perfect. Now let's go ahead and install the mount first. Always install the mount before we install the cable, so you don't touch tools or anything like that to the terminals guys. Okay, so okay, mount is in. Now we're going to install the bolt. Perfect, and then just get it tight. So as I said, we'll have videos about fuses, about diagnostics, programming computers, all that stuff guys. Okay, we'll be taking the whole engine apart, show you how to fix pretty much anything. So very helpful information will be shared on our channel. So get it tight now. Perfect. Next, what you need to do, you need to connect actually guys first, okay, the positive cable now. Okay, lift it up, make sure it's clean. If they're corroded or something, you need to clean them. Get it tight. Perfect. And now what else you need to do? You need to get the negative and get this one tight as well. Okay, perfect, that's it. So practically we are ready to go guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.